This Windermere Real Estate / Whatcom Incorporated property video is presented by Christine Johnson Cicchitti. Ramber with 2 living rooms and 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, 1,636 square feet. Great open floor plan with a layout that feels way bigger than the square feet says. Large back deck at 16 by 43 with large yard and outbuilding, gas stub out off deck for your barbecue. Kitchen faces the backyard and gets great sun. Homes comes with AC installed and new furnace in 2018. For more information, review the details below.